Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple greeting card, or Valentine's Day card in this case, by using Storyboard that. To get started, I'm already signed into my account. I'm going to create a storyboard. And rather than using a scene for my card, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a pattern, and you can use any color pattern or shape that you would like. If you want to use a heart, you could do that, but in this case I'm just going to use a solid background. I'm going to drag that onto the frame, and I'm going to change the color down here. I'm going to use this pink color. Now if you want to use a color that you don't see displayed, just go down here and then you can choose any variation of any of the colors that you would like. Now I'm going to reuse that same frame in each one of these little scenes. And now I'm going to go up to my shapes, and here in shapes I'll find in the symbols a heart shape, and I can customize that. I can change the color if I'd like to. I want to put a filter on it, grayscale filter if I'd like. We'll use this one now. We'll click and drag and put that on the page. Now if I want that to face in a different direction, I can go in and I can rotate that. If I want to flip it, I can flip it that way. Now I can change the color on that. And again, if I want to make it a slightly different color, just go up here and click and drag, and now I have different colors. I want to make it a yellow heart, I can do that. But I like the white one. And I can make it larger or smaller as I see fit. Now as far as text, just go ahead and use the textables. And let's say I want to use some free-form text. So I'll click and drag and put in free-form text, and I'll just write, "Be my Valentine." Now if I want to change that font, I can make it a little larger. Again, I can put in different colors and filters on that font if I'd like to. I'm going to leave it just like that. And I can repeat that process all the way across these three frames. Now, when I'm done, what I'll do is I'll go in and save this. Give it a quick title. Call it my Valentine's Day card. Let's save that. And now I have this make a folding card option. So we'll make that folding card. Let's choose Valentine's Day. And we have these borders that we can pick from. I'll use this one here. And now I have this card that I can print out. I'll just send that to my printer, and I have my card. Now, obviously, if you want to print it in color, make sure you're connected to a color printer. Otherwise, save it as a PDF or save it to your Google Drive, as I can do right here. So that's how you can create a simple Valentine's Day card by using Storyboard that. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out practicaledtech.com and freetech4teachers.com.